Hello everyone, this is Howard, a full stack .NET developer. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, TechCreatix. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also push the bell icon so you can get the latest update of my upcoming videos. In this video series, I'm gonna talk about everything from scratch to advanced level, and also this course is all absolutely designed for beginners and for those who already have programming knowledge. So guys, what topics we're gonna cover in this C# series is fundamental of C# and .NET. We will see the basic difference between C# and .NET. What is C# and what is .NET? I will give you the complete overview in this lecture. And because a lot of beginners have problem in that understanding of C# and .NET, we will talk about it in this lecture. And I will give you the overview of IL code, which is actually intermediate language code. We will see that, and after that we will see what is CLR in a .NET framework. So at the end of this section, I will give you the basic overview of C# and .NET application. In the second part, we will cover primitive and not primitive type, and primitive part comprises of the variable and constant. What is variable, what is constant? We will see the scope of the variable, what is type conversion, and what is operators, and definitely we're gonna have some basic examples for all those terms. In the third part, we will see control flows. In control flows, we will see what is actually control structure is, what is its statement, what is switches, what is loops in the C#, and after moving forward to the fourth one, we'll see what is arrays and list in C#, why we need to use arrays, and when to use arrays and when to use list in our C# program. And by moving forward to the fifth one, we will see classes and interfaces. Actually, in this part, we will see the basic difference between classes and interfaces. We will see when to use class and when to use interface in our .NET application. The sixth one, the very big topic and the vast one, is object-oriented programming. According to me, each programmer should have idea about object-oriented programming, because this is the very important topic in our programming. So we'll see what is OOP in our .NET framework. What topics we're gonna cover in this part is classes, interfaces, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, and everything that is related to OOP. And definitely we're gonna cover some basic examples for all those concepts. The seventh one is generics. We'll see why to use generics and how we can increase the reusability of the code by using generics. We'll see delegates, lambda expressions, and the link queries, why we need link queries in our .NET framework. So in this topic, I will cover the basic difference between ADO.NET and link. I will cover extension method, and in the end I will give you the overview of asynchronous and synchronous programming, why we use asynchronous programming instead of synchronous. Okay guys, so these are the topics that I'm gonna cover in the C# series. Please attach with me, stay tuned to my channel so you can get each and every video of C# series. And without any delay, let's get started.